Guys, good morning, good afternoon, according to your time. In my today's video, I'm going to be cooking chicken pepper soup. So this is the chicken I'll be using to cook the pepper soup. I've washed it very well. It's now, as you can see, it's clean. So I'll be adding this is the onion. I'm going to add a little bit of onion because I like onions on my pepper soup. So I'm going to be grinding all these seasonings together. So what you are seeing here is a fresh tomatoes and little bit of pepper. This is dry leaf I'll be adding on it, and this is my salt and cube maggi I'll be using. So guys, let's go. So I just add it inside the pot. So I'm going to cover it.